Hi, my name is Julie. I'm one of the course designers for One Stop Shop, online docs, spreadsheets, slides, and forms for your classroom. I hope teachers will take away from this course a developing confidence in utilizing Google tools and other digital technologies in their classrooms. Whether you are brand new to implementing Google Apps or you're already very experienced implementing them, the great part about this course is it's going to meet you exactly where you are and help you either develop foundational knowledge or build upon your foundational knowledge by showing you some really cool features that each of these apps have to help you continue to grow your practice. Something I really love about this course is that each of the applications are directly related to the work that you're already doing in the classroom. So some of the assignments might ask you to develop a Google form that your students could use. After you create it for a course, then you are able to immediately utilize it with your students. Similarly, you might already be using some of these resources in your classroom, so it's going to help you learn some really cool tips and tricks for how to continue expanding and growing your practice with your Google Slides. It'll show you some really neat and interesting features to add in your Google Forms and different ways of navigating your spreadsheets. So by the end of the course, not only will you have built a bunch of tools, but then those tools are directly able to be used in your classroom with your students.